Hi there, welcome to Forex Overland's Unboxing. Unboxing is where we open boxes. Okie dokie. Product today, and I'm going to be doing more of these unboxings, and if you have a product that you would like me to reveal, then please get in touch. Camp Cover, here it is here. Nitecore is a torch manufacturer that I've been working with for a while. And this one comes from a familiar company. They're based in Cape Town in South Africa. In fact, they've given me quite a lot of stuff in the past, including the canvas thingy what's it carrier in the back of my Land Cruiser. This is also quite interesting. This is a Camp Cover product. It's a South African product and was actually designed for the back door. Although it was a bit long, it was actually designed to pin to the back door, and it turned out to be the absolute perfect size for the back of the troop carrier. And in here I have my toiletry stuff, spade and toilet paper and things like that. I can't put a lot of stuff in here because I get my hand in when it's closed to open that, so I don't put a lot of stuff in there. I've just got a knife sharpener and a sponge, insect repellent and basic cooking spices and things like that in there, as well as the bin at the back of the vehicle is a product from Camp Cover, sometimes called a trasheroo. In America it's called a trasheroo because it's designed for carrying trash, although the Camp Cover version is far more useful than just carrying trash. It's actually the best I've ever seen, by actually quite a long way. What they sent me today is this here. I quite like their new packaging actually. These are little, well, you can see what they are. They're little bags. They have a clear top, and the idea is that you put them inside containers such as, you know, the ammo boxes and that kind of thing, and they are waterproof. So if you've got liquids and the liquids spill, then it doesn't go everywhere, which is really nice. Their earlier versions weren't like this. This is an improvement. The top is clear, and in this pack there are 3 of them. I like them a lot, and I have to admit I've actually already got some and I use them all the time. So there they are. Now Camp Cover specializes in covering camping stuff, and some of their products are a bit kind of, I don't really see the sense in them, and some of them are really cool. And these I have actually had in my camping kit for some time, and let's have a look at it. And I'm thinking about using this. The idea behind that product is that it sits behind the bench seat in a pickup, and you can pull all kinds of stuff in it, and they use a rip stop canvas. This stuff is very, very hardy, and I'm thinking about actually putting that on the lift up interior roof in the Hercules for stuff. I've measured it and it fits perfectly. There's that, and there's this that it's a Camp Cover organizer. See, I have a look. What's that for? It's kind of that'd be good in a tent, wouldn't it? As a hang-up device in a tent. Not sure if I can use it in my current vehicle, but anyway, it's the ripstop canvas. This feels lighter than this. Actually, it is definitely lighter than that, but a robust item. Have a look at Camp Cover's website, campcover.co.za. They've got interesting products, and they are available in South Africa and Australia. I don't think they're available in the United States at this time. They might be available in the UK, but if you're not sure, go onto their website, email them, ask them where they're at, and nice stuff. Before we open the box, we sharpen the knife. And I use these little guys. I think they're so nice. They're called Easy Lap, E-Z-E-L-A-P. It's a sharpening stone. And I can get an edge on this blade, absolutely demon edge on this blade, by just doing this. And I carry this. This is how I sharpen all my knives. And that's it. So let's just... Those of you that don't quite know how this works, basically what I do is I choose the products that I like. In this particular instance, I bought one of their torches and I use it for general purpose, and it's called a MT20C, and I thought, oh, nice. Contacted them and said, would you like to send me some stuff for some reviews? And they said, absolutely. Some of you will remember this guy. I've repackaged it. It's the one that I called the Sun. I'm going to call it the Sun. That I use as my chief security flashlight in my truck. I've got this guy too, which is the Tiny Monster 15, which I actually use for lighting for films. So if I'm shooting something and I need a little bit of light on the subject, like I might do right now, I'll do that. I also have used the Nitecore headlamp. I reviewed that one. I liked it. I found it just a little bit heavy on my head though. Not overly so. I liked the fact that it was very bright, ideal for having a meal, and then it gets very bright, which I never really used the very bright functions. This little guy, which is I think it's discontinued because its battery just didn't last long enough. But I found this so practical because you can hang it anywhere. You can literally just hang it anywhere, and you get a light. But it wouldn't last more than 2 evenings, and you'd have to recharge it. So that was my disappointment with that. Although it was disappointment because it was just so practical, and they offered to send me some other stuff. The other thing that I reviewed, which I rather liked, was the little LR10, which is literally just a little camping light, and I just love this little thing. It's just so useful. I love clever designs that are practical. So what did they send me? They sent me, it looks exactly like my old one. It's not exactly like my old one. This is the EC23, and well, it's I understand, a higher power version of the one that I've already got. Oh, okay. This I heard about, and this I actually asked for. This is a little lantern. It's a small lantern for using around the camp. It's got a little thing, you can hook it up. Okay, USB charged, and there it is. And oh, that is quite bright. And I liked it so much, I asked for 2 of them. I asked for a green one and a yellow one. There they are. These are going to become favorites. I just know it. I just know. They sent me a battery charge. I didn't know Nitecore did chargers for camera batteries. That is a USB charger for my Sony camera batteries. The last thing they sent me was this guy here. It's another head torch, and I like the look of it because it's obviously a lot lighter than the other one. It had a similar power. This is called the HC33. What I do like about the way Nitecore thinks is that this can be used as a head torch and just clipped into there, but it can also be used as a general purpose torch flashlight just by removing it. And now it can be set down somewhere. It's flat on the side, so it won't roll. So if it was set down somewhere as a little light or up like that, it's multi-purpose. Also now I can see, and you know what I'll do? I won't do a review on this now because I can't do it justice in here, but so far I think this could actually work very well. I've got the little LR10 little lanterns. They're on charge at the moment, ready for my next trip. And when I'm out there, I will do a proper review on this equipment. If you have a product that you'd like me to unbox, review, fit to my truck, anything, get in touch.